Hi ladies, hey, I just wanted to send you a little bit of a video clip and tell you a little more about my storyline clothing line and why I decided to introduce it into my business. I will forever love taking care of women and just helping them feel beautiful inside and outside. And I love my Saint makeup line. I love my Wiemann K-Beauty line, and I so enjoy doing color draping. And I often get asked fashion advice and image advice. And honestly, I just got tired of always posting links to shop at Amazon. We are Amazon people. However, I love quality clothing over quantity because I do a lot of core wardrobing. I also, because I work with a lot of mature women, I work with a lot of women who travel a lot. And so when I was approached about Storyline, it was just really, honestly, it was a natural way to incorporate clothing into my business. So let me just show you. This is just my core capsule here. And I'm going to do this workshop next week, and Amy, the owner, will have more pieces. But as an example, this is their wraparound dress. It's so cute. Wine, tiger print. There's a black. It's a great, great piece. And then there's the swing shorty. The swing shorty is one of their core pieces that they always have. This comes in a variety of colors. And what happens regularly is they do what are called curated companions. So this is a curated companion. It's a long white shell, beautiful. It's actually going to be my swimsuit cover up. When curated companions are gone, they're gone. So they just come in limited editions. When you find out that there's one, you want to hop on and order those right away. Then another curated companion is their short, which is a marvelous length. And right now, during the month of May, when you buy a perfect pant, you get a perfect short for free. What a deal. Standard are their hero jackets. Right now, black, white, and this beautiful Key Largo blue. And then also standard are their shells. Ladies, I can't tell you enough about these shells. I've got one in black, ivory, and the cobalt blue. These they wash up great. They're gonna be perfect for travel. They're perfect for layering. They feel great. I got so sick and tired of running to a store and buying a t-shirt in nice solid colors and then having them look lousy the next year and having to get rid of them already. So these are marvelous. And then, and what's really great is, all of this stuff works with things that are already in my wardrobe. Like this is a skirt already in my wardrobe. And let me turn my cart. Like for example, this scuba tank, I showed this the other day. This is a curated companion. The tank in medium is out in the navy. The skirt is still available, but you could put the ivory tank with it, or any other tank that you have, or t-shirt. And then these are the pants, and I'm loving the pants. Although it's warming up here, so I won't be wearing pants a lot. But the perfect pant, it's got the perfect waist, it's the perfect length. These are marvelous, and they're great for everyday wear. They wash up super. And then, of course, the legging as well. So these are just the pieces. These are marvelous. These are in the anchor gray. So anyway, no pressure, but I am having a wardrobing workshop next week if you want to come and look at things. And I'd love to have you stop by or hop online. 30% savings when you buy 3 core pieces. So core pieces are the pant, the swing shorty, the shell. You could get like 3 shells, and that would be considered a capsule. Or you could get two of the shells and a hero jacket, or 2 shells and a legging. But anyway, then you save 30%, so that's pretty awesome. But I'm excited to be incorporating clothing into my line. I'm not doing carrying a bunch of inventory. However, I have just direct contact with the owner, and looking forward to offering this in my business as well. So reach out if you have questions. I would love to show you more, but just remember, my goal is to provide overall beauty advice for women from the inside out. Have a great day.